Notion is one of the most versatile productivity apps out there, but there are some tools and features that many users only discover after months of using it. These are the tools you'll wish you knew earlier because they can completely change the way you work. First, there's templates. Notion offers pre-built templates for everything from class notes and project management to habit trackers and personal dashboards. Using templates saves time and gives your workspace structure from the start. Another tool is databases. Notion databases allow you to create tables, boards, galleries, and calendars, and with properties, filters, and relations, you can track almost anything in a very organized way. Next up are relations and rollups, which let you connect multiple databases to see linked information automatically. This is perfect for tracking projects, tasks, or research notes across different pages. Notion buttons are another game changer. They allow you to duplicate pages, create new database entries, or trigger workflows with a single click, saving time on repetitive tasks. You can also use toggle lists and collapsible sections to keep long pages clean and easy to navigate. Embedding videos, PDFs, and Google Docs into your pages can make your notes interactive and visually engaging, while tags and properties help you categorize and quickly search for information. Finally, don't forget about Notion AI, which can summarize text, generate ideas, or even rewrite content, and custom dashboards, which let you organize your pages, databases, and tasks in a way that works perfectly for you. Once you start using these tools, your Notion workspace becomes faster, smarter, and more enjoyable to use. If these tips help you discover features you wish you knew earlier, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity hacks.